Homeowners in Florence are increasingly investing in window and door upgrades, and for good reason. Whether it's for energy efficiency, security, or aesthetic appeal, replacing outdated windows and doors brings significant benefits. If you're considering a home improvement project, here's why so many Florence residents are making the switch. Improved energy efficiency and cost savings. One of the biggest motivations for upgrading windows and doors is energy efficiency. Older windows and doors often have poor insulation, leading to higher energy bills as heating and cooling systems work overtime. New energy-efficient models feature double or triple pane glass that reduces heat transfer, or low-E coatings to reflect heat and UV rays, insulated frames that minimize draft. By installing modern, energy-efficient windows and doors, Florence homeowners can significantly lower their energy bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Enhanced home security. Outdated doors and windows can be weak points in home security. Modern replacements come with advanced safety features, including reinforced frames for added durability, multi-point locking systems for increased security, impact-resistant glass to withstand forced entry. With crime prevention in mind, homeowners in Florence are upgrading to stronger and more secure doors and windows for peace of mind. Boosted home value and curb appeal. Aesthetics matter when it comes to home value. New windows and doors can dramatically enhance curb appeal, making a home look modern and well-maintained. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years or considering selling, these upgrades offer a great return on investment. Potential buyers often look for homes with updated, energy-efficient windows and stylish entry doors, making this upgrade a smart financial decision. Noise reduction for a quieter home. For homeowners in busy neighborhoods or near highways, noise pollution can be a problem. Modern windows and doors offer superior soundproofing, thanks to multiple glass panes that absorb sound, tighter seals that block outside noise, laminated glass options for enhanced noise reduction. With these upgrades, Florence homeowners can enjoy a more peaceful and quiet living environment. Protection from harsh weather conditions. Florence experiences its share of extreme weather, from heavy rain to strong winds. Storm-resistant windows and doors provide added protection against harsh conditions. Features such as impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames help prevent damage and keep homes safe. For homeowners in flood-prone or storm-affected areas, weatherproof doors and windows are a must-have investment for long-term safety and protection. Lower maintenance and long-term durability. Older wooden windows and doors often require frequent repainting, sealing, or repairs due to moisture damage and general wear. Newer materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite are designed to be resistant to warping and rotting, low maintenance with little need for repainting, long-lasting with a lifespan of 20+ years. Florence homeowners are choosing modern materials to reduce maintenance time and costs while ensuring their homes remain in top condition. Increased natural light and better views. Larger windows and strategically placed glass doors can bring in more natural light, making rooms feel brighter and more inviting. Many homeowners are opting for bay windows, sliding glass doors, or oversized picture windows to create a more open and airy feel in their homes. At the same time, modern window technologies allow for increased light without harmful UV exposure, preventing furniture and flooring from fading over time. Is it time to upgrade your windows and doors? If your windows and doors are outdated, drafty, or showing signs of wear, it may be time for an upgrade. Florence homeowners are making the switch to modern, energy-efficient, and stylish replacements for a range of reasons, from lower energy bills to improved home security and aesthetics. Upgrading your windows and doors is not just about looks, it's an investment in your home's comfort, safety, and value. If you're ready to make the change, consult with a trusted window and door replacement specialist in Florence to explore the best options for your home.